How to scrape efficiently. In this short video, I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful platforms I've encountered for web scraping. This is the perfect solution for any email marketers or social media marketers or anyone who is actually interested in scraping but hasn't doesn't have technological knowledge and doesn't know how to run a Selenium or Beautiful Soup with Python and doesn't know how to scrape in general. Obviously, there are many out of the box solutions. You can also use this Chrome extension, which is very powerful. It's called Instant Data Scraper. It allows you to do most of the scraping that you need. But today, I want to focus on something that is a bit more advanced, and it's a platform called APify or APify. I don't even know how to pronounce it. But what they offer here is kind of a marketplace of quote unquote scrapers. They call them actors. And what you can do, you can enter the platform and you can select different scrapers based on the use case that you're looking for. Just to give you a bit of a rough estimation, this platform is very affordable, at least at the beginning. If you don't need huge amounts of data, you can use it for free. And then the higher tiers are basically a pay as you go pricing scheme, so it's pretty beneficial. I usually don't even get to the $49 tier. I usually use this and sometimes rent an actor, and I'll show you in a moment what I mean by that. But each one of us is different. I also have my own scraping skills because I know how to automate. But anyway, let's move forward and let me show you the platform. So we go to the console. You need to log in with your Google or whatever. And now what you have here is the store. This is the backend, this is the dashboard. And you have different scrapers based on different categories. So you see lead generation, marketing, jobs, e-com, etc. What you can do is you can sort by popularity. And now you have various scrapers that are basically going to work out of the box. And it's like dummy proof. You don't have to have any technological knowledge. It's very easy to get going. So let's take as an example, let's do an Instagram scraper. So you have like a description of what does the scraper do. So this is like Google Maps scraper, which extracts data from hundreds of Google Maps businesses. This is a Google search result scraper. Let's go in here for an example. Each scraper looks kind of like this: input, information, runs, integration, stuff like this. And they usually have very clear instructions regarding how to use the scraper. So in this case, we need to enter the search term or the URL. So let's say food in New York. Here we enter max pages per search term or URL. Let's do 2. Results per Google page, let's do 100. Over here we can show if we want specific countries or specific languages. Just for the sake of the video, we won't dive into this. And we also have more advanced settings, which we won't dive into them in this scraper. Then we can save and we hit the start button, and now it is going to start running. And obviously you can also buy proxies and connect them to the scrapers, actors in this case. And here you can see the usage. So in a moment, the results will start climbing up, and we will see how much did it cost. So in this case, it showed 2 results, probably 2 pages, and the usage was less than a cent. So let's see the results. Total results. No, this isn't what this is what we expected. You see, and it's already in a JSON. We can obviously also export this in a table, JSON, whatever we want, and we have all the alternatives. Let's see a different actor, an actor that I use today. So Instagram hashtag scraper. instead of going to Instagram and scraping on your own, which is a bit risky because you're risking your profile. Obviously, it depends if you know how to do this, but you can scrape and hashtag. So let's say bikini hashtag, number of posts per hashtag. This is optional. Then we hit the save button and we are going to start. And now it's going to start scraping all the posts that it sees with the hashtag bikini. You can see the cost of usage, and over here we will start seeing more and more data. Let me, so you see here are like the captions of the posts, and there are many posts already, and this is very powerful if you know the use case. Let me show you another actor. And one thing that I didn't mention is, even if you're not sure regarding what you want to do, you can always come to the marketplace. Let's say you're in e-commerce, you can come to the marketplace and see what are like the top performing scrapers, and based on this you can get a better understanding of what people are doing. So we have Facebook ad scraper, which extracts advertising data from one or multiple Facebook pages. You get the page details, reach estimates, publisher platform, not so relevant for me. We can go and do a Amazon review scraper. So here you enter the URLs of the Amazon products, you enter the amount of reviews you want to scrape, you enter if you want to review by top reviews or by most recent, and you can also filter by rating, so only 1 star, only 5 stars, etc. And then you just hit the run button and you're going to get the results. Let's go and see the results of what we just scraped. So this is the hashtag scraper. Scraped all the bikini posts. You see, this is the time we scraped, how long did it take, how much did it cost. And as I said, the first $5 are for free, and you get a lot of data for free. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. So you see here, you have the post URL, the post caption, the number of comment, the number of first comments. So you have quite a lot of data, like who is the author, what is the username of the person who published the post. And you can see why this is so powerful, because once you use this tool, you can scrape a lot of stuff without taking too much risk, because not in all the scrapers you need to provide your own cookies, and then you're not taking any risk. Let's see, for example, what are the top lead gen scrapers. So you can extract data from one or multiple public Facebook groups. You get the group and post URLs, the comments, the timestamps, likes, etc. You can also go to jobs. You can scrape Glassdoor jobs, or Indeed. Let's see, by popularity. Glassdoor. Let's see what exactly does this do. So you provide the URL, you provide the query, the location, the state, and the maximum amount of results that you want, and then you're just going to get, let's see, growth consultant, let's see, media buyer in the USA. It's going to start running. As you can see, it's very, very simple. You can do a lot of things very fast, and it's also very cost effective, because the alternatives, or usually if you don't know how to scrape, it's going to Fiverr or Upwork and paying someone to do the scraping for you. And very often, because they know that people that don't program don't have any knowledge with regards to scraping, they just quote you with very expensive prices. It also makes sense, because they got to get paid, and this is very easy for them because they have the knowledge, but someone needs to pay for that knowledge. So I'm not against people charging high amounts of money, but I'm saying basically that APify is a very cost-effective solution and very fast. So now, as you can see, it is scraping the results. Not sure if it's going to work as expected. In this case, it seems like it didn't work. Normally, we can have like we can view the log and see why it didn't work, but in every actor is different because these actors are being built by different service providers. There are people that build specific actors just for the Apify platform, and they are being paid by APify or Apify, however you call them, for the usage of their crawlers or scrapers. So each scraper is kind of built differently. You see, this scraper was built by the Apify team. This scraper was built by the Compass team. This TikTok scraper, which allows you to extract data from TikTok videos, hashtags, and users, was built by this team. So it's kind of a marketplace of scrapers, which is based on my experience, it's really efficient. I've scraped a lot of things using APify or Apify, and I highly recommend it. I think that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions regarding automation or web scraping or lead generation, let me know in the comment section below so I will get inspired and have ideas regarding what other videos would you like to see. Um, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. And I guess that's it. Have a lovely rest of your day or night, and I'll see you soon.